Hi friends, it's me, Miss Chacon. We're back. Today is Thursday, and if you take a look at our plans, today we're looking at how to tell time digitally. That's going to be really fun to learn. And yesterday we looked at how to tell time through analog clocks. And if you have not watched that video, so do me a favor and go back and watch time to the hour analog the day before this, because that video will help you in today's video. So you need to have watched yesterday's math video in order to understand today's video, okay? Also, today we're going to be reading a story called Shapes in the Clouds. It's going to be a fun day today, okay, friends? All right, so let's get started. And today we're going to be looking at how to tell time on a digital clock. So we're going to look at this, and it says, Amelia wakes up for school at 7 o'clock. So if she wakes up for school at 7 o'clock, that means that the minutes are going to be 0, because it did not say that Amelia woke up at 7:15 or 7:24. So there's no minutes. It's just saying 7 o'clock. So the minutes are going to be 0. So the minutes are on this side. The hour is on this side. So we're going to put 7 because the hour is 7 o'clock. So the hour goes right here and it's 7 o'clock. And because there's no minutes, it's just 7. The minutes are going to be 0. Okay? Now let's look at this next page. Another type of clock is a digital clock. A digital clock uses numbers to show the hour and the minutes. This clock shows 2 o'clock. So the hour is on the left side, so let's write hour. So the hour is 2. And we put a little thing, and it's called a colon right here in the middle. It's 2 dots. And then the minutes are 0, 0. So it's 2 o'clock because the hour is 2 and the minutes are 0. That means it's 2 o'clock, not 2:15, not 2:10 or 2:40. It's 2 o'clock. So now we're going to look at the analog clocks and write down the digital time, okay? So if the hour hand is facing the 11, then it's going to be 11. But first thing we need to do is look at the minute hand. So at the minute hand, the blue hand, the minute hand is facing 12. Whenever the minute hand is facing 12, that means it's at 0 minutes. So what I'm going to do for the minute hand is I'm going to do 0, 0, because there's no minutes. And the hour hand is facing 11, so that means it's going to be 11 o'clock. So the hour hand is facing 11 and the minute hand is facing 0. So that means it's 11 o'clock. Now we're going to look at this. We look at the minute hand first. The minute hand is on the 12. That means that if the minute hand is on the 12, we're going to have 2 zeros here. And the hour hand is going to be on the 6. So because the hour hand is on the 6, we're going to put 6 here, making it 6 o'clock. Now look at this, my friends. The minute hand and the hour hand are on 12. These mean two different things. You may say, Miss Chacon, but when the hand faces the 12, that means 0, 0. That's true of the minute hand. So we're going to do the minute hand first. So see this blue right here, the blue minute hand. It's facing 12, so we're going to put 0, 0. But I'm not going to put 0, 0, 0, 0. That's not what we're doing. We're going to look at the hour hand now, and the hour hand is facing the 12, so it is 12 o'clock. Now I know that's weird. You're thinking, why are they both facing the 12 and they have different numbers? Well, hours and minutes are very different. We look at them differently. So that's why they're two different numbers. So that's why it's like that. Now let's look at this. The blue hand, the blue minute hand is on 12, so we're going to do 0, 0 again. And the hour hand is on 3, so we're going to do 3 o'clock. And it's saying, this talk math is saying, how is reading an analog clock the same as reading a digital clock? They both tell time, but how is reading them the same? Okay, friends? So answer that with your family, talk it through, and work on it on your own, okay? Now for on my own, you're going to read the time up here and put it down here on the digital clock from 5 to 10. I'll give you about 5 minutes. You can go ahead and pause this video now and come back to it. 3, 2, 1, pause. I hope you paused it and you just came back. You did it all on your own. Now, for the number 5, we're going to look at the minute hand first. The minute hand is facing the 12, so we're going to do 0, 0. And the hour hand is facing the 8, which means that we're going to put 8. The minute hand is facing the 12, so we're going to do 0, 0. And the hour hand is facing 1, so we're going to put 1. That means it's 1 o'clock. Now, the minute hand is facing the 12 again. So the minute is 0. And the hour is 5 o'clock. So it is 5 o'clock. Now we're going to look at this one. The minute hand is on the 12, so we're going to do 0, 0. And the hour hand is on the 10, so it's 10 o'clock. Now look at this one. The minute hand is on the 12, so we're going to do 0, 0. And the hour hand is on the 9, so it is 9 o'clock. Now if we look at this, the minute hand is on the it's on the 12, so we're going to do 0, 0. And the hour hand is facing a 4, so it is 4 o'clock. You see that how easy that is, my friends? So telling time is not as hard as it seems. It's going to get a little different once we learn how to tell the minutes, but don't worry, it's going to be just as fun, okay? All right. Rachel goes to the cafeteria to eat at 11. That sounds like something we need to underline. We know that Rachel goes to eat at 11. She is there for 1 hour. So Rachel goes to the cafeteria and eats at 11. She's there for 1 hour. What time does she leave the cafeteria? So here's the thing. Rachel starts eating at 11. So I'm going to do 11 colon 0, 0. She eats for 1 hour. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 1 hour. So here's 1, and here's my minutes, 0, 0. And what we're going to do, sorry about that, it looks all crazy, but what we're going to do is we're going to add all of it and see how long she was there. What time did she leave? So she got there at 11 and she stayed for 1 hour. So what time did she leave? So first we're going to add the minutes, 0, 0, 0. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. Now we're going to add the hours. So 11 plus 1. Well, we know that 1 plus 1 so 1 plus 1 equals 2. And over here, there's nothing here. There's 1 and then there's nothing here. So I'm just going to bring down the 1. And then I bring down my colon here. And that makes it 12 o'clock because 11 plus 1 is 12. So the answer is 12. Rachel left the cafeteria at 12 o'clock. Okay, Mrs. Webb's class came in from recess at 2. So they came in at 2. They were at recess for an hour. What time did they go to recess? So they came in at 2, so 2 colon 0, 0. And then they were at recess for a full hour. So if I'm trying to find out what time they went out for recess in the beginning, am I going to add or subtract? So we know that they came in at 2 and they had an hour-long recess. So what time did they leave? Am I going to add or subtract? Well, in order to find out what time they left in the beginning, we need to go back in time. And going back in time means we need to subtract. So we have 2 take away 1. So we're going to take away 1 hour. So 0, 0, 0, 0. We're just going to bring down all our zeros. Bring down our colon. 2 take away 1. I know 2 take away 1 is 1. And that means that they went out at 1 o'clock. So we had 2 o'clock, we took away 1 hour, and we got 1 o'clock. Explain how a digital clock shows the time. So tell me, what does the number on the right say, and what does the number on the left say? So does this side say the minute or the hour, and does this side say the minute or the hour? So tell me, how do you read a digital clock? Okay, friends? So that's it for today. I hope you all have a great, great day. Stay safe, stay well, and remember to keep practicing reading time. It's super easy and you can read it all around your house. All right, bye friends.